Welcome to the iLearn tutorial for the Assignments tool for faculty. The Assignments tool is where you, the instructor, can create and customize tasks for students to complete. To begin, go to your iLearn site and click on the Assignments on the left side menu. Here you will see all of your assignments once they have been created. To create an assignment, click on the Add button in the top menu. You will be brought to the assignment creation page. Give the assignment a title and instructions for the students. After you have done that, scroll down to see all the customizable aspects of the assignment, such as availability, reminders, submissions, and more. Availability allows you to change the open date, due date, and the latest date you will accept the assignment. Note that assignments cannot be submitted after the close date. Under Student Submissions, you can select the submission type you would like the students to use. Below that is the Turnitin Plagiarism Service options. You can use Turnitin to generate a plagiarism report on student submissions. Under Grading, you can choose how to grade the assignment, as well as connect it to the gradebook. After customizing your assignment, you can post the assignment or leave it as a draft to edit and post at a later date.